Good morning, everybody. These are our morning announcements for Wednesday, December 2nd. What's coming up today in math? We are going to have our Zoom at 10:10, and then after the Zoom, you are going to be taking the Lesson 15 exit ticket. So I've made you a little quiz on Echo that you're going to submit. And to take this quiz, you will definitely need some scrap paper, like your notebook or your whiteboard, to solve the problems. In ELA, we are going to start learning about story elements, so the plot, the characters, and the setting. And in social studies, you have a new pair deck about the middle colonies. Let's take a look at our agenda for today. All right, so your special today. Now, please note, 2 of our special days changed. If you go and click on this schedule up here, you will see that our gym day and our art day changed. Today is a choice day. So you are going to click this choice board when we get to specials time at 9:07, and you are going to either pick music, art, or gym. And there are different websites that you can choose an activity for. Now remember, if you have Mrs. Mauer at 9 o'clock, then you need to log into that Zoom on the days you have Mrs. Mauer. At 9:37, your specials teachers have their Zoom. So really important reminder, if it's 9:45 and you are just now joining your special Zoom, your specials teacher probably does not see that you are trying to join the Zoom. So really be sure to be on time. It's going to be at 9:37. I know that's a very specific time, but do be sure that you are logged in even a couple minutes early to that Zoom. All right, at 10:10, we'll have our math Zoom, and after the math Zoom, we will take the Lesson 15 exit ticket. So I've given you some directions here to use scrap paper. You will click Start, and there will be 5 questions that I will go back and grade. All right. That's what math looks like today. At 11 o'clock, we will talk about story elements, and I'm going to have you complete one of the story elements worksheets, and you're pushing up the Sky Packet, and I'll tell you what that worksheet is when we talk at 11 o'clock. Then you will have lunch and recess. Then for your must-dos, in the afternoon at 1 o'clock, you have to practice the uppercase C. You have to practice making this letter, and then you have to turn the page over, and you have to practice those words. And then I've included the Pencil Pete video, so make sure you have that up while you are practicing uppercase C. Then only 2 units, Alexia, today, because I would like you to do 10 minutes of Spelling City. We are going to have a spelling test on Friday with those words, so make sure that you are practicing on Spelling City. Hopefully on the agenda, you spent the 20 minutes doing that yesterday. And then you have your may-do list here. We have a new pair deck today in Social Studies on the middle colonies. This is what you are clicking on. In the pair deck, I will say either read the chapter by yourself or go to the chapter 14 read aloud. So if you'd like it read to you, I have recorded it for you here. If you want to read it independently, you do not have to click this link. All right. That is all the announcements I have for today. Make sure that you've completed your 3rd row because it's Wednesday in your morning work. Make sure you're holding on to all those packets, and I will see you at 10:10 for our morning Zoom.